Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today, I want to share very beautiful, very charming, very attractive, and latest design with latest videos. Are you like these amazing videos with amazing and beautiful ideas, with beautiful, good-looking designs, with more latest videos? Are you like these perfectly ideas with perfectly 2024 ideas with main and unique ideas with unique videos of many others designs with many others videos. I will always be sharing many gardens yard designs of many different topics, different designs of full greenery types. Are you like these amazing videos with amazing beautiful and unique ideas with unique videos? Our latest designs, latest beautiful design and most charming looks are these most fabulous designs and latest videos with latest ideas. If you want another and beautiful design, our most beautiful design, so unique ideas and latest videos, you will be amazing and beautiful and unique ideas. Our most fabulous and unique design and most beautiful design and latest videos, latest ideas with most beautiful designs of full greeny types videos. How you like these amazing videos? It's amazing and beautiful design with unique videos. I will always be sharing with you. Everyone you like see many others designs, see many others videos and most fabulous designs and latest ideas with latest videos. Everyone you like more and other ideas with beautiful design with beautiful videos and the most charming looks in these ideas in these videos. Are you like these perfect ideas with perfect and latest design and most charming looks and latest videos are most charming ideas with more perfect videos in these ideas in these videos. Are you like these amazing ideas with amazing videos? Are you like these beautiful and unique ideas and latest most beautiful designs? You will be a perfectly and unique designs with unique videos and latest most beautiful designs. I will always be sharing with you and latest design. You will be stunning full ideas with latest yard designs of gardens with gardens full greenery like our main place are with the room side place are different topics, different videos. I will always be sharing with you. If you want another and stunning full ideas with fantastic and most charming looks and the most attractive design and latest videos with more attractive ideas and more charming ideas with creative and latest design and more charming videos. I will always be sharing with you and latest and trending, latest and beautiful 2024 ideas with more creative are related to 2025 many according to its many designs with the latest ideas. So it's for a colors combo are depending on your choice and latest interior designs of full home decor ideas. Latest many videos are available to my channel and the most fabulous and good looking designs with good looking ideas I will be sharing with you. Everyone you like see out these designs with see out these videos and most harmful ideas and latest and trending designs. So more beautiful designs. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification. Always be sharing with many ideas with many beautiful and latest videos and unique ideas with unique videos and most fabulous design and most charming looks. Everyone you like see out this design with see out this video our latest and trending, latest and most ideas with more attractive full ideas and most attractive and latest designs and are you like these perfectly designs Our most fabulous videos, you will be a perfectly designed and most charming look. So let's go. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my all YouTube family. Welcome.